Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of elegant floral wrapping papers, and we found something truly special.
Introducing the BEISHIDA 20 PCS Pink Floral Wrap Matte Floral Wrapping Paper. If you're in search of the best pink floral paper on the market, look no further. Let's unwrap why this product stands out. First off, let's talk size and quantity. With dimensions of 58 by 58 centimeters, or 22.8 by 22.8 inches, and a pack containing 20 sheets, you're getting ample coverage for your floral arrangements or gifts.
Now, what sets this wrapping paper apart is its quality. Crafted from high-quality, durable, and waterproof plastic, you can trust that your bouquet or gift boxes will be elegantly adorned without worrying about water damage.
But it's not just about protection, it's about presentation. The matte finish adds a touch of sophistication, making your bouquet or gift boxes truly upscale. Whether it's Valentine's Day, a bridal shower, wedding, anniversary, or any special occasion, this floral wrap paper elevates your gifting experience.
And let's talk versatility. From roses to tulips, lilies to carnations, this wrapping paper is suitable for wrapping a variety of bouquets, allowing your creativity to flourish. Now, for those who demand durability, sturdiness, and value for money, this product ticks all the boxes. With glowing ratings from satisfied customers, you can trust that you're investing in a top-notch product. So, if you're ready to elevate your gifting game with the best pink floral paper on the market, look no further than the BEISHIDA 20 PCS Pink Floral Wrap Matte Floral Wrapping Paper. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations.